Hi, this is Nick in the Edible Schoolyard kitchen classroom. I'm here today with a short how-to video on approximating recipes and estimating measurements. Today, we're going to be working with a salad dressing recipe that doesn't require being precise or exact. So today I'm making a basic vinaigrette without measuring or looking at a recipe. For this, I know that my basic ratio is 3 parts of oil to 1 part vinegar. So I'm going to grab some olive oil and just start pouring it in until it's just about halfway full. Next up, I'll add in a good splash of white wine vinegar. Then I know I want about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, which is a really generous pinch, and a hearty grind of pepper. Finally, I'm going to add in just about 1 teaspoon worth of mustard, maybe it's a little bit more than that, and that's going to help add flavor and emulsify the salad dressing. Instead of whisking this dressing, I'm just going to use a jar and shake it up, shaking really well to make sure that it emulsifies and stays mixed together. So that's it, a nice simple salad dressing. If you're looking for recipes to practice your new skills with, head over to edibleschoolyard.org. Thanks for watching.